and this is the goodness that we're gonna put together today. Hey, 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 welcome back to Melinda's Messy Sink. Today's video is about sweets for my sweets in honor of the upcoming Valentine's Day. We will be making strawberry Valentine's Chex Mix. To get started, I have a big mixing bowl. I poured out a box of Rice Chex cereal into my bowl. I found this recipe online. It is called Strawberry Valentine's Chex Mix. And it is from the blog Butter with a Side of Bread. I'm changing it up a little bit though. So we've got our cereal, our Rice Chex only, a whole box. Then I have some Valentine's Day colors M&Ms, and I'm gonna pour those in. We're gonna give them a good mix. Make sure you clean your hands, obviously. Okay guys, we took a short break. We had to go buy more M&Ms. I wasn't happy with just the 2 bags in there. So, of course, any reason to buy more M&Ms we're all down for in this house. So here's another bag of M&Ms. And then we're gonna try some peanut Valentine's flavor M&Ms. Valentine's colors, I'm sorry. And then this should be more than enough. The next thing we're gonna do, if you caught my cake pops video the other day, then you'll know we are going to start off by melting our chocolate in the microwave, just like we did in that video. If you missed that video, I'll link it in the description box below as well. This chocolate has a little bit of a twist though, so you'll have to stay tuned for that, but I'm gonna meet you over in my microwave and we're gonna get this melted up. Okay guys, so we have been going about 1 minute and 45 seconds. So as I've been going in my incremental time, usually 15-20 seconds, then I've added another brick. We will need probably this whole bag to cover, to cover all of those Rice Chex and M&Ms. So we're just gonna keep on going. I just kind of wanted to let you see where we were after a couple minutes. I'm gonna keep going in 15-minute increments. While our almond bark is finishing melting, wanted to let you know that today's video is a collaboration video. This collaboration, Sweets for My Sweet, is hosted by Tiffany at Small Town 6. I will have Tiffany's channel listed below, as well as a playlist of wonderful sweets for your sweet ideas that YouTube creators have made for you. So don't forget, after you watch this video, to check out Tiffany's channel as well as the playlist. We got the entire brick. There's one little hard piece in there, but the heat from the chocolate will continue to melt that one. All right, so we got that entire package melted. And so now what we're gonna do is we are going to take strawberry pudding mix, not gelatin, but pudding mix. And we are going to add to our melted chocolate. And if you want your chocolate to be red, you can add some gel food coloring as well. I don't care about mine being red. I think the candy will stand out more with it being white. So I'm gonna leave the food coloring out. We're gonna give this a really good mix. Hopefully you can see that okay. And you gotta work kind of fast. And what this is doing is it's flavoring your almond bark, that strawberry flavor. All right, my husband and I are gonna tag team this together. I am going to pour in the big bowl and he is going to mix. All right, so what we're doing is we are taking some wax paper and we're going to turn this out onto wax paper. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread all this out so that it can dry. Okay, my husband's over there sampling, guys, and he said that it definitely tastes like strawberry. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna let this completely dry. We'll be back in a bit. Our candy has completely dried. I found this cute little plastic bucket at Dollar Tree, and here's a close-up, hopefully you can see that okay, of all of our dried candy. We have made lots of different Chex Mix or puppy chow, and let me just tell you, adding that pudding was a game changer. That strawberry Valentine's Chex Mix is so good. It's easy to come together and it makes a big batch for family, friends, coworkers, and neighbors. I cannot believe that secret ingredient of strawberry pudding had such an impact on the taste of our Chex Mix. Wanted to give you a couple quick reminders. Don't forget to check out Tiffany's channel as well as the collab playlist listed below in the description box. And most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.